Welcome to our video series on game theory. Discover the hidden rules behind every strategic decision you make. Whether it's outsmarting opponents in a game, negotiating deals, or navigating complex social interactions, game theory reveals the secrets to winning. Join us on a journey where science meets strategy and learn how to predict moves, outthink rivals, and achieve optimal outcomes. From everyday choices to high-stakes negotiations, unlock the power of game theory and change the way you see the world. Ready to level up your decision-making skills? Dive into the fascinating world of game theory, the ultimate playbook. This is a Cyber Frontier Network production, defending the cyber frontier. Subscribe today. Thank you for watching.